Welcome to AIBC Startup Pitch, where we'll see thousands of investors and innovators in blockchain, AI, quantum tech, big data, and the Internet of Things gather in one roof, and that will take place on November. And here with me is the founder of Snapstudy, Vagif Aliyev. Thanks for joining me. Welcome to the show.
Thanks very much. Thanks for having me.
And so to kickstart this process, you are to answer 5 set of questions in a span of 3 minutes. So are we all set?
Absolutely. Thrilled.
So what does your company do?
My product is called Snapstudy, and it's essentially an app and a web app that uses state-of-the-art artificial intelligence to allow students to take images of their notes and lecture slides and generates flashcards that require high-level thinking to be answered and can be accessed, and this platform can be accessed through both Android and iOS. The purpose of the app was built by myself, my own struggles, because I found that as I was revising for more tests as a student, I wasn't really learning for knowledge. I was learning for the sake of passing tests, and I was using methods like revising, rereading, memorization, which aren't efficient and only last for maybe a few days after it leaves your memory. So I developed this app that enhances the knowledge-based learning in order to ensure that students are learning to acquire knowledge, and that the knowledge that they learn has increased retention so that they can actually understand what they're learning and not just learn it for the sake of, passing the next week exam. And what makes our product different is the fact that we synthesize basically lots of different models in AI to generate this, whereas most solutions out there are manual-based flashcards. Our solution uses OCR and AI both combined to create these flashcards automatically. So it saves you a lot of time, which is a big one for students who are constantly under pressure to do homework and just don't have the time to build these flashcards.
And what makes Snapstudy different to everyone else in the market?
I think that Snapstudy has a unique way of teaching and learning. Most traditional other edtech products and generally e-learning products, you're still having to memorize. If in the case of flashcards, you type the flashcards out yourself, you have to write the notes. Whereas in Snapstudy, it's all done automatically. We automate the whole process of revision by simply taking an image of your notes so that you can save time and still learn efficiently and can complement your revision with your other revision techniques that you may want to use. This is what really makes us different, because other competitors generally rely on manual generation and sharing the flashcards, but not all students have the time to do so. So I think this is what differentiates us.
Amazing. And where would you like Snapstudy to be in 2 years' time?
I'd like Snapstudy to be used by not just students, but I think a lot for edtechs who I've been in talks with, especially a lot of edtech startups, for HR teams, insurance companies who can just lease these out and basically create questions and flashcards for their content and their needs. Perhaps in edtech for video transcriptions, people can watch a video and get flashcards automatically. And for insurance companies, they can use it every time there's a change in policy. So I'd love to see Snapstudy. Our aim at Snapstudy is to have it in more industries and help more people to better efficiently study.
All right, and Vagif, for an icebreaker, tell me something about yourself that not many people know.
Yeah, so I'm an addict of Drake, Tory Lanez. I really bump their music. It's great. Sometimes you're in the startups and you're all building things and you need to break. Some hotline bling and some one dance does you wonders about business and monetization strategy, trust me.
What a brilliant and very eccentric young man. Thank you so much, Vagif, for joining me today. Wishing you and Snapstudy the best of luck. Have a ball in Malta, and we'll see you in November.
Thanks very much. Thanks for having me, and good luck to all the other participants.
Thank you very much. Now, there will only be one lucky startup candidate that will benefit from an investment ranging from 25,000 to 500,000 euros. Do you have what it takes to bring that check home? It is not too late to register. Apply now at aibc.world, and we'll see you there.